Hello guys, in today's do-it-yourself vlog video, I am going to be showing you how to assemble a Partphoner floor lamp. Now you guys, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you keep watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this video started. Now I received my package, you guys, and again, this is from Partphoner. They are a seller on Amazon, you guys. I am going to be including that link in the codes all down in the description. Make sure you do check it out. Now my package came like this, and I'm going to show you everything inside of the package before we start the assembly. There's the lampshades, the racks, the plates, the legs, the accessory. Oh, you guys, I will tell you, this is a easy to assemble floor lamp. It does have all of the supplies. You don't even need tools to assemble this because they include that alley wrench inside of that package. But these are the supplies. Now this floor lamp with shelves can be used for your living room. A shelf floor lamp with 3 CCT LED bulb. There's a corner display stand, column lamp, Edgar organizer tower, nightstand with white linen shade for your bedroom or your office as well. I will have that Amazon link down in the description. And to you guys, for all of the legs, they have holes on both ends, and this is for connection and assembly. And these are those 3 shelf plates, because you guys, this ain't just a floor lamp, it is a floor shelf lamp. And this is that top plate for where the lamp will be connected. And to you guys, here is our cord for our light bulb. And you guys, like I said before, this is a easy assembly. They also send you the LED bulb for the lamp as well. And also here's our wire for the lamp, because it will hold that lamp shade. And this lamp shade, you guys, is white. And as you can see, you open it, this is like just your standard 12 by 12. And here are the instructions. And you know us, who really needs instructions, you guys? We put things together, and hey, if it works, it works. If not, then we take out the instructions. But we're getting ready to assemble this lamp. I'm just kidding, you guys. Now, if you don't know how to assemble anything, make sure you follow instructions. Just here in my home, and 9 times out of 10, I don't use instructions. I look at all of my pieces and I go from there. Here are the clamps, the screws, the bolts, the alley wrench. I'm telling you, they gave you everything you needed to get this lamp project started. So now here, you guys, as we're looking at our plate, I'm showing you that we have a standard hole and an indented hole. I will tell you, if you're installing anything that has an indented hole, it is for a screw to fit flush with the piece, and that is normally going to be a bottom or top piece. And once again, once you stick the screws in, I am just going to connect the legs, and it's just going to be a twist until we need that alley wrench to tighten them up. Now, make sure you do follow me along as we set up this lamp. Don't forget, go over to the link down in my description to Amazon, and I'm giving you a close-up look here, you guys, as well as what we're doing. But make sure you check out that link and check out Amazon. Now, I'm going to also tell you that this floor lamp has an open top design to give you more brightness. This tall standing lamp assembled is 10.3 in length, 10.3 in width, and 63 inches in height. It is designed with the open top to shed more light in your room. It also has 3 color temperature bulbs. I'm sorry, you guys. It also has 3 color temperature bulb setting, which that bulb is included. That is a 9-watt 800 lumen energy saving LED bulb, and it illuminates 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K. You can switch different color temperatures by pulling the chain twice, you guys. It also has a 3-tier storage and display. Their floor lamp with the shelves is made of sturdy wood with a stable structure, high loading and durable, which holds a total of 50 pounds max. The floor lamp does add ambiance to your room, and it also provides a place for storage, whether it's books, plants, or any of your decor item. Just be mindful, it does have a 50-pound weight limit. Now also, you guys, this this shelf floor lamp is perfect for a holiday gift, a birthday gift, Mother's Day, Father's Day, for your husband, your wife, your children, even your friends. It is suitable for a bedside, it is suitable beside a sofa, TV stand, fish tank in your living room, reading in the bedroom, in your office, your library, your kitchen, coffee shop. Literally, you guys, this stand can be placed anywhere. It also has easy assembly, and you guys, it says 10 minutes assembly time. Now the package again does come with all the tools. Just simply follow the steps and put the shelves together. I will tell you, it did take me probably about 18 to 20 minutes putting the shelves together, and that's because when I look at pieces, I stop and pause, and I look at everything. Once I finish one row, I stop and look. I make sure all of my angles are straight. As you can see by me twisting the legs, you can see I'm lining the legs up. I will tell you too, you guys, don't over tighten the legs, and that's for anything that has double screwed ends. So make sure you don't over tighten them. But I'm telling you, the end result was amazing. So we're going to just continue to tighten the legs and continue to assemble this floor lamp. And if this is your first time tuning in to Glam Queen DIY, welcome, welcome, welcome. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you will get Glam DIY home decors, Glam DIY tutorials. We do renovations, we do a little bit of everything over here. So if you like anything in the form of a do-it-yourself project, this is the channel for you. Make sure you do consider subscribing to the channel and becoming part of the family. And we're just adding those open-ended screws on the legs, leading us to that third shelf. So we're going to just keep putting in the screws. And once again, you guys, do make sure you do check out our description box. We always keep some useful information for you down in that description with affiliate links and discount codes, so you'll be able to snag you some amazing product at an amazing price. Don't forget to go to Amazon and go to Partphoner's home site to see all of the things that they do provide there. They do lamps, they do indoor natural table lamps, they also do outdoor lighting as well. I'm telling you, they have some amazing stuff on their site, so make sure you do go over and check them out. Now we're getting ready to move the lamp so that we can actually assemble the shelves and complete this floor lamp DIY setup. Now it's time to assemble the lampshade. Now this bottom base is what will hold the light, you guys, and I'm just looking at the plate. And all plates for lamps, you got to make sure that bottom plate is for the bottom base. And this is that lampshade, and it does have 2 hooks on each side, and we're just going to clamp them in, you guys. Now I have assembled lamps before. Now my rule of thumb when assembling lampshades, you can actually lock that top piece all the way in, but I don't do that because it makes the shade tighter. I always clamp two sides, then I'll put the bottom piece in and clamp the opposite two sides so that it doesn't tighten down my lamp before I get that bottom wire in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the bulb as well so that I can connect it. Now you guys, this ain't a step that you have to do. It's just normally what I tend to do when it comes to my lamps to make sure my piece is working, but I like to include it in when I'm assembling it, you guys, to make sure my clamps from the beginning is sturdy enough as I'm snapping it in. And we're just going to snap it in, you guys. And once again, there's two clamps on each side. Now that we have that lamp assembled, we're going to just turn that light on. And once again, you can adjust the lighting by 2 quick pulls on your lamp to change out the color setting of the light, you guys. Now with that being done, we're going to get ready to assemble the lamp and the shade to the top of the stand. Add that top piece on there plus that lamp shade. But that's the stand there thus far. Alright, and our light will go through here, you guys. We have our just regular holes and our in-depth holes, you guys, to take that bolt. So we can't put this at the top. This has to be the top so we can secure it down. Now I've already secured the lamp, so I'm going to take this back off because it has to fit through here. And again, you guys, you see our hole here and the cutout. What we're doing is we're placing our cord in there and the screw down. The light should hang here to the front. The flat plate goes against the stand. I'm going to try to give you an angle for you to see what we are doing here under this shade. Alright, you guys, I brought my stand back and turned it upside down so I can actually secure the lampshade. And I'm trying to give you a position for you to see what I'm doing because I'm going to have to lay it down because I just got barely enough to connect this with the base on the shade with the space that I'm given inside of the stand. Once we get this connected, you guys, we're off about that much with the base. So we're gonna have to align it up. And what we're doing is feeding it through that way. And once again, family, please don't forget to try Partphoners. Their link is down in the description to snag you some amazing product. And thank you, Partphoner, for reaching out to me to sponsor this video. I have 3 different settings. There is the completed stand. I am just going to tie down the cord. But she's very, very cute, you guys. And that's what it looks like, you guys, with a few decor pieces on it. Now, once again, you guys, I am going to tie down the cord, which is right there against the back, but I'm going to do that after I put it in the location that I want it in for right now. Make sure to check out Glam Queen of DIY and the Glam Queen of Decor, and we'll see you in the next do-it-yourself vlog video.